Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for choosing to come back and check out this video. Look at these charts with me. Got great news for today. Awesome sauce. The watch list is up 46.92% on the day, and that brings us up to positive 14.03% on the week so far. So excited to be able to say that. I know yesterday was looking really bad, being down that 32.89%. Just tough, and I'm glad we were able to bounce back. Let's jump over into the watch list and see what we've got. ENSC, looking at this one, our RSI is inverted and we are below the 9-day. MACD is in a negative oscillation. I would definitely not be getting into this stock tomorrow. UNCY is looking fantastic for a pump higher. We're above the 9-day, above the 50-day, and then zooming in on the RSI, it looks to be diverted. However, it could be converging just a little bit up here. Be aware of that. The MACD is showing all full green candles, which looks great. Volume. There is some volume overhead, so there should be buyers and sellers above the point there is now. PMN only up 0.73% for the day. It is below the 9-day right now. The RSI is still in the correct position with the purple line above the yellow. I'm not getting too much confidence about PMN going higher tomorrow. PLBY, we are right on that 9-day, sitting at $1.13. No action in the post market either. The MACD just cycled red, and we are inverted on the RSI, so we could get a bit of a pullback from PLBY. NXL is up about 500% from where it was a couple of months ago. This one is expected to go down. Tomorrow doesn't look like it would be a very good entry point, and there also is a lot of gap in the volume over here on the right hand side. The RSI is inverted, as you can imagine, so tomorrow might not be the day to get in. NEXA is down 0.78% on the day. Let's go ahead and back up just a little bit. Yeah, it does look like our trend cloud is turning into resistance as well, just above this final candle. The RSI is inverted and the MACD is on a negative swing. NEXA will not be on my list to buy for tomorrow. KULR, here we are, coming back for another round of gains this week. Love to see it, up 18.32% on the day. Beautiful. The RSI is diverged. The MACD is showing a positive green candle. There looks to be some spotty volume overhead, especially right in this area here. So we could see some gains tomorrow out of KULR. We'll see how it goes in the morning with the amount of volume. However, it was up in the post market, which isn't showing on the screen right now. CETX, this one came out of nowhere. I expected CETX to go up when I put it on the watch list on Sunday. However, I had no idea that it would be up 40% on the day. It was up to 43% as I was sitting in front of the computer. It was crazy. I couldn't believe it. It settled the day at 33.94%, so it came back down. However, the pump was incredible today. The RSI is still diverged. However, it is coming, that purple line has changed course and is coming back down. So this red candle on the end of the day could be an indication of what we could see from CETX tomorrow. However, this candle also does match up with the gap in volume over here on the right hand side. So if we can get some more volume in tomorrow, there's a good chance that CETX could see another pump again tomorrow. Be on the lookout for this one. GETY, this one I keep feeling like it's going to go higher and I want the best for it. I want the best for all the stocks, but it's just not coming through like I wanted it to. Down another 3% on the day. $2.86 if you want to get in on those shares now, but I think it is honestly going to go even a little bit lower. There seems to be a lack of volume beneath it, which could indicate a mini slide in price. LDTC. Let's talk about this one. Down on the day 3.68%. LDTC is not looking like a good one to get in tomorrow. The RSI is inverted and looks to be diverging. The MACD is fully oscillated negative. Volume is reducing the lower the price goes. So LDTC, good chances that one could go down tomorrow. PRTS, another one that is going to be kind of a long-term hold for me. We'll see how it goes. But today, at the end of the day right now, we're below the 9-day on a red candle. The RSI is inverted and diverging, and the MACD is just started to oscillate red. Another larger indication on PRTS is this large gap on the right hand side in volume. This is absolutely huge. If PRTS can't hold this gap, it's going all the way down to 88 cents, which is highly possible. I'm half tempted to sell and buy back in once it retraces this amount of volume. DDC up 3% on the day, contributing to our gains. Much appreciated there. The day ended on a red candle. However, we are above the 9. The RSI is inverted and very close to touching. The MACD is oscillating light red, so slight negative, and there looks to be tons of volume up overheads. DDC could see gains tomorrow. Be on the lookout for that one as well. HAO not coming through today quite as well as it did yesterday, but still only down 0.4% on the day. Right now it is below the 9, and the 180 day is coming at those candles fast and furious. The RSI is inverted and diverged. The MACD is in full negative oscillation. HAO is not looking like a winner for at least the morning tomorrow. Okay, today's inspiration is still on the Christmas theme because I'm excited about Christmas for some crazy reason, and I was thinking about this town in Finland that I saw come through the social media feed, and it looked like one of the coolest places to see Christmas. It looked very Christmassy with the houses and the way the snow is and everything like that. So in continuing with the theme of buying my time back with that time that I buy, I definitely want to go and check out this Christmas town in Finland. And that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for looking at these charts with me. Thank you so much for the comments and the likes. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you keeping me motivated to keep making videos. And like always, I'd be doing it anyway, but I'd much rather be doing it with you. I'll see you tomorrow.